Guys, kakapagod. Makapag-scroll nga muna sa Facebook. Kumusta na kaya sila, Mama? Nakakamiss naman yung butong na lagi niyang pasalubong sa akin.
Inukit kong puso sa punong mangga at ang inalay kong gumabela. Magkahawak kamay sa dalampasigan, malayang tulad ng mga ibon. Ang gunita ng ating kahapon. Ang mga puno't halaman ay kabiyak ng ating gunita. Sa paglipas ng panahon, bakit kailangan di lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon? Ngayon ikaw ay
May malapit palang store ng mga kakanin dito sa Taguig. Mapuntahan niya.
luturin ang iyong pananabik, makita ang dating kanlungan, tahanan ng ating tula at
Sakto. May butong rin sa menu nila.
laho ng
Order nga po ako netong butong. Wow, thank you.
pa. Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating gunita. Ang mga puno't halaman, bakit kailangan lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon,
Balikan ang tamis ng alaala kasama ang pamilya. Together with family, enjoy the best from Kakanin. Dahil sa mga kakanin, kakaning bago, lasa'y sigurado.
Got the power in my hands, now I can feel it. If you're looking for the truth, I'm motherfucker, I'm the realest. See them biting what I'm on, so do not ask me if I picked it. If I said that I'm the greatest, then I mean it. Mean it. Yeah. I've been building a new mansion up on Venus. Long time coming for the shit, now wheel it. They don't have to mention all the crazy shit we did. Let the verse play, don't wheel it. No, they never understanding how I do this with my words like butter, motherfucker, I'm the smoothest. Gotta keep my circle tight, I'm only rolling with the furious. Like, I don't fuck with that boy, he a Judas. Now the master from a student. No more questioning my worth, ain't gotta prove it. Head hot, say the wrong thing, might lose it. But I'm always channel through the music.
For every purchase worth 499 pesos, you get an exclusive reward. Choose between a Fremont Kakanin customized tote bag or t-shirt that's perfect for carrying your Kakanin treats. So what are you waiting for? Share the love of Filipino flavors with your family and friends. Drop by Mang Kakanin today and enjoy our special offer.
No, they never understanding how I do this with my words like butter, motherfucker, I'm the smoothest. Gotta keep my circle tight, I'm only rolling with the furious. Like, I don't fuck with that boy, he a Judas.